All right, you know what's strange is the barrier is up, yet this person refuses to cross the tracks because there's a flashing light up, and this person in front of me refuses to cross because there's a flashing lights, but the barrier is up, and I'm sitting here right behind them. I don't know, is the cop scaring her? I think it's a female. And what's the cop gonna do? She can go. Yeah, she's sitting there and there's no train. At some point, is this a young cop? Because I mean, they could probably direct traffic at this point. You look down to see if there's a train coming, and then direct traffic or something. This is a real strange situation where the barrier is down on only one lane, and we got this cop just sitting. Look at all the people behind him are moving away, are turning around. I got to deal with this lady sitting here with no barrier stopping us because this cop is probably got her scared. She doesn't want to she doesn't want to cross because she thinks maybe she's doing something illegal or something. This is a real situation here. And the cop just sitting there not doing a thing. Because we're all waiting on the light. And I really can't go around. Partly because of that cop. They're getting paid by the hour. What do they care, right? Oh, look at this. Oh, she's turning around. All right, here we go. I don't see anything. Incredible. Ooh. Okay. The cop was on the phone too. That lady had to turn. It was an old lady, white-haired old lady. She was just totally confused about that situation. That's on her.